At the top left corner, you will find Blender's top menu bar. This works like most application menus, giving you access to essential functions such as creating a new project, opening or saving files, editing preferences, and other settings. This is where you will handle file management and application configuration. Next to the top menu bar are the Workspaces, which provide different tools and layouts tailored to specific workflows. If you are using the custom startup file, you should see 4 workspaces: layout, modeling, UV editing, and shading. When working with Easy Form Studio, you will spend most of your time in the layout workspace, occasionally switching to modeling, and rarely needing the others. As you continue through the tutorials, you will learn the purpose of each workspace in more detail. On the left side of the interface is the Toolbar, which shows the tools currently available. When you select a tool, the header area above updates with options specific to that tool. For example, choosing the box Select Tool displays selection options and parameters. When you select Easy Form Studio from the toolbar, the header will show actions designed specifically for cabinet creation and manipulation. You can resize the toolbar by dragging its edge, hide it completely to maximize your workspace, or quickly show and hide it by pressing the T key. On the right side is the sidebar, which contains detailed properties of your objects and actions, such as exporting your work or creating new cabinets from templates. You can toggle the sidebar on and off by clicking on it or by pressing the N key. You can also resize it by dragging its edge to the width you prefer. With these elements in mind, you now know the main parts of the Blender interface as they relate to Easy Form Studio.